Looking
years
eagle
yet.
telemetry is a procedure where you track wild eagles.
Was looking
Once tracked, the
forward
eagle
to
will undergo thorough
being
physical checkup by a
important,
field
but
veterinarian.
I'm not important yet.
Then, the wildlife biologist will install the GPS unit and let band to the bird.
Scream, is it colder?
Both the physical checkup and installation process will only
If
take
the
place
world
for 30
gets
minutes.
me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part?